This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. As the number of COVID cases are on the rise, we appeal our listeners not to lower the guard, follow all the precautions, and all those above 45 who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, and focus on hand and face hygiene. And now the news in detail. Showing signs of improvement, Meghalaya reported more recoveries than fresh active cases for the second consecutive day yesterday. The state recorded 890 recoveries, tallying the recovered cases to 26,156. Directorate of Health Services informed yesterday that 613 fresh cases took the number of active cases to 7,741. The state also registered 7 more COVID-19 related deaths, taking up the number of fatalities to 551. Meanwhile, 3,89,241 persons received the first dose and 74,321 received the second dose of vaccine against COVID-19 in Meghalaya till yesterday. In Manipur, 1,007 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases, increasing the number of active cases to 8,030 yesterday. 15 more persons died due to COVID-19 infection, raising the fatality figure due to the pandemic to 776. Also, 564 patients, including 451 patients in home isolation, recovered from the viral disease. The number of recovered cases was 40,044 and that of positive cases was 48,850 on the last count. The number of persons vaccinated with Covishield in Manipur was 3,75,518 till yesterday. In Nagaland, detection of 156 new COVID-19 infections yesterday increased the confirmed cases to 21,391. The state also recorded recovery of 156 positive patients, increasing the number of recovered persons to 15,414. The caseload includes 4,982 active patients. Death of 7 more patients increased the toll to 338. Nagaland has administered a total of 2,68,591 doses of COVID-19 vaccines so far. In view of the continuous large numbers of COVID-19 cases being detected in East Khasi Hills and hospital beds occupancy nearing saturation, the district magistrate has extended curfew from 5 a.m. of the 31st of this month till 5 a.m. of the 7th of June. Inter-district movement of persons is not permitted. No persons is to step out without valid reasons. Vehicles plying without passes will be liable for strict penalties. Anyone in defiance of orders is liable for arrest. Restrictions on movement, containment measures and weekend lockdowns are enforced in other districts of Meghalaya as well. In Mizoram, the total lockdown will continue for another week to break the chain of transmission of coronavirus. The lockdown will continue till 4 a.m. on the 7th of June. Mizoram is currently following strict restrictions, particularly in areas under the Aizawl Municipal Corporation and district headquarters. There is total restrictions on interstate movement of transport. Srimati Itimon Warba, retired announcer of All India Radio Shillong, passed away at her residence in Shillong yesterday. She had joined AIR Shillong on 1st of May 1960 and was a well-known announcer and newsreader in Khasi till she retired on the 31st of July 1996. Late Kong Itimon Warba was also a graded artist in Khasi Light Songs category. The Assam government has announced Chief Minister's Sishu Seva scheme for the welfare of those children who lost their parents due to COVID-19. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma announced that the scheme would be launched on the occasion of 7 years completion of the Narendra Modi government. Monthly scholarship of 3,500 rupees would be given to those children who lost their parents or the bread earner but have their extended families. Those children who do not have extended families would get free residential education facilities. A girl will also be given 1 tola of gold and 50,000 rupees during her marriage. Chief Minister Sarma said that such children will also get free computer or laptop and vocational training for gainful employment. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.